Yeah, welcome back to the vlog. Today we are replacing the front and the rear end links. This is the old end links right here. I'm gonna save them because they still good, I think. Yeah, they still good. So I'm gonna save them. But I'm replacing them with this, with the Whiteline. I haven't replaced the sway bars yet. So I'm just doing the front right now. Got this guy over there trying to get it out. Here I got the rear ones for the rear side. The 2018 WRX. So after I finish with the front, then we're gonna jump on the rear. I already put the one on this side. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Right there. I already put the one on this side. I'm trying to get the one on the other side out. Yeah. Yeah, I didn't want to keep the old one because I lowered the car and that put kind of like pressure on them. So I'm planning on changing the rear sway bar with the Whiteline one, but I probably leave the stock front sway bar on. But I'll probably do that later because I'm really not tracking the car or taking it for no races or anything like that, so it's nothing that I need right now. I want to see if the end links make any difference though. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. Hit the like, subscribe, boom. I'm gonna keep going. I might do a video soon with all the mods that I got on the car so far, cause I got a lot of stuff going on. So stay tuned, subscribe, hit the like button, hit the bell if you want to be up to date with the video. I try to upload one every week. But yeah, there you go. Boop. To the next.